Hello makeup lover, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've already been here before. If not, my name is Malene. I'm a Danish makeup artist living in Barcelona in Spain, and I'm so happy to see you whether you've been here before or not. For today's two different looks, I pulled out my Luxe Quad, the Nocturnal Nirvana, the first one that Pat McGrath ever did, and I know that some people are a little bit afraid and feel like they have to pull out other palettes to make a look with this, but I'm here to show you that you don't really have to do that, and you can make some pretty and gorgeous looks in a fast and easy way. So if you want to see how I did these two different looks, please hang in there and I will show you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now, let's go ahead and do some makeup, shall we? I want to start by showing you the palette. I'm going to start by using the golden shade as a highlighter. I'm going to go in very gently here under my brows. Next up is the purple. It has a black base, so it's very, very dark. I'm using the Builder Pro, and I'm just laying it on my outer corner here so you can really see the purple. Like so. Dip back into the purple shade, and I'm starting with the outer corner here. I really want this to be very purple and very concentrated. Then I'm going up a little bit here, very gently. I just brushed off my Builder Pro, and I'm just going to try and diffuse this color a little bit more up here, so it's not so concentrated as on the mobile lid. Like so. I dipped the tip of my flat definer brush from Zona G into the same purple color, and I'm just gonna use that here in the outer half of my lower lash line here, and I'm just gonna take it all the way up to the upper part, sorry, and connect it. Brushed off my Builder Pro and dipped into the aquamarine color, the turquoise color, and I'm just placing it here, almost going all the way into the inner corner, and I'm just stamping it on, laying it on the mobile eyelid, and then over the purple. And a little bit up here with what's left on the brush. It's like a half and half look right now. Dipped the tip of my flat dip the same flat definer into the golden shade, and I'm going to use that as a highlighter here for this look. Very quick and easy look. Before putting on some mascara, I want to put on a liquid eyeliner. so. Put on some mascara and did a little tight lining on the upper eyelid. Sometimes you might think, it's a little too harsh, but no worries. You can just take a brush without any color and just blend out the border here. I'm using the number 13 from Refer for this task, just blending out the border so it fades out a little bit more than before. And here you see the final look with some false lashes on and a little bit of concealer under the eyes. It's a super easy look, but very powerful and effectful because of the Blitz shades I used. And as you can see, the purple here has a black base, but it's not that dark when you blend it out anyways. Now I'm going to go on to the next eye. I brushed off my Refer number 13 and put on a little bit of the golden shade on that. And I'm just lightly putting it on here to be used as a highlighting shade under my brow. For this second eye look, I'm going to start by dipping the Builder Pro into the gorgeous green. And this green is some kind of a duochrome because it has a shift to a light purple that you can see in the right light. It's stunning. I'm just placing it on the outer corner here to begin with, to really make it super green here in the outer corner. Like so. I did what I should have done with the other eye and earlier on I put on some loose powder to catch the fallout. And now that we're at it, let's just amp this up. So I'm just gonna go in with my Intensifies and just put it all over my mobile lid here and over the green, because I'm gonna put some more green on to make it even more stand out. Like so. So I almost managed to remove the green, but I'm gonna put it on again with the same brush, the Builder Pro from Sonia G. And I'm just stamping it on here on the outer corner to begin with. Taking the same shade, the same brush, now going into the inner corner and laying it down here on the inner corner. I really want to make this almost kind of foiled here. Okay. Pulled out my Smith brush, the Arrowhead, I think it's called 256. And I dipped that into the golden color, and I'm gonna put that here on the middle of my eyelid, where there's also some Intensifies base on. And then I'm just basically gonna blend it into the green. I don't know how much you're able to see the purple shift. I feel that you see it mostly on the outer part here of the eye, if you can see it. I'm just gonna try and turn to see if you can see it. Maybe a little bit, maybe not. I dip my flat definer into the green, the VR Emerald, and I'm gonna place that here. Or did I just say that wrong? The VR Emerald. Sometimes I'm like, was that the green from the Sublime palette? Nah, I think this might be the VR Emerald. Dipped into the same shade. Now for the inner corner, for the inner part here. Just the inner third, more or less. And for the middle part, of course, I'm gonna put the gold color here. For my crease and a little bit above my crease, I am gonna put the aquamarine. It is not as powerful in color as the green. I'm just gonna dip it on to start with, and then I'm just checking if I'm in frame, and then I'm gonna blend it out here and upwards very gently. Like so. Put on a little bit of mascara and also did a little bit of a tight lining with a black eye pencil. I'm now going to go off cam and put on some false lashes. Here you see the second look with some false lashes on. I chose to not do a liquid eyeliner for this one because I wanted to make it a little bit more light, also with the wash of color on top here on the transition area and the crease. I'm now gonna zoom you out so you can see what it looks like with a full face of makeup. This is it. This is the two final looks with a full face of makeup. On my cheeks I have on a little bit of the Electric Bloom from the Divine Blush collection, and on top of that I put on two different highlighters from the highlighting trio, the pink shade and the golden shade. I always mix them together when I use the trio. On my lips I have on the Matte Trans Flesh 5, and on top of that I use the Opulust in the color Lavendering to spice it up a little bit and give it a little bit of a purple thing going on. Now I'm gonna put on my glasses so you can see what it looks like with the glasses on, and this is it. So this is the final two looks with the Nocturnal Nirvana, and as you can see it's fairly easy and fast to do some looks with those gorgeous colors. Even though they are all Mother's special shades, you can pull off a look with those with only using that palette if you want to. And I really hope that you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And please, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now, I want to tell you that I'm so thankful for you taking your time out of your schedule to watch this video. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And I hope to see you again soon. Now, have an awesome day. Bye. Mwah.